Transform your outdoor space with breathtaking garden bed designs. Uncover endless possibilities to elevate your backyard into a personal sanctuary of beauty and growth. Prepare to be inspired by innovation that blends seamlessly with nature. Garden beds are more than just simple containers for plants. They are fundamental elements in crafting an enchanting and productive outdoor environment. They offer essential structure, define distinct planting zones, and add a layer of sophisticated charm to any backyard, regardless of its size or existing landscape. From the rustic appeal of weathered wood to the sleek lines of modern metal, the right garden bed can transform an ordinary patch of green into a vibrant, living masterpiece. Whether you are a seasoned horticulturist with years of experience or just beginning to explore the immense joys of cultivating your own green haven, the unique designs we're about to explore will undoubtedly ignite your imagination and spark new ideas for your own space. We will delve into innovative concepts that perfectly blend practical functionality with stunning aesthetic appeal, showcasing how simple structures can become captivating focal points that enhance both the visual beauty and the practical utility of your garden. Discover how different materials, a myriad of shapes, and varying heights can dramatically alter the perception and overall experience of your personal outdoor retreat, turning it into an inviting extension of your home. These ideas are meticulously curated to provide inspiration, encouraging you to think creatively about how you can personalize your own slice of nature. Our first captivating idea introduces the timeless appeal of the classic wooden raised garden bed. Crafted from durable cedar or redwood, these rectangular or square beds offer a simple yet incredibly effective solution for elevating your planting space. Their natural timber tones blend harmoniously with any garden aesthetic, providing excellent drainage and soil control. This design is perfect for beginners, offering a manageable depth for most vegetables and flowers while adding a rustic, organized charm to your backyard. Next, we explore the charm of tiered and terraced wooden garden beds. These multi-level designs are not only visually dynamic but also incredibly functional, allowing for a diverse range of plant heights and types within a compact footprint. Imagine a cascade of herbs, flowers, or vegetables spilling from one level to the next, creating a lush, living sculpture. This structure also makes gardening more accessible, reducing the need for extensive bending and kneeling. For a more formal and enduring aesthetic, consider the elegance of stone or brick-enclosed garden beds. Utilizing natural stones, pavers, or reclaimed bricks, these beds provide a robust and permanent solution. Their weighty presence grounds the garden design, offering a sophisticated border that is both strong and beautiful. These materials retain heat, which can be beneficial for certain plants, and they promise longevity with minimal maintenance. Embrace modern sophistication with Corten steel garden beds. Known for their distinctive rust-like patina that develops over time, Corten steel offers a contemporary, industrial chic look. These beds are incredibly durable, weather-resistant, and add a striking contrast to lush green foliage. The rich, earthy tones of the weathered steel create a warm, inviting atmosphere, while providing a sleek and defined planting area. For an organic and soft touch, woven willow or wicker garden beds present a beautiful, natural option. The intricate weaving creates a textural delight, adding an artisanal feel to your garden. These beds are lightweight, eco-friendly, and perfect for creating a cottage garden or a whimsical fairy tale landscape. They invite a sense of handcrafted beauty and blend effortlessly with natural surroundings. Innovative and eco-conscious pallet garden beds offer a fantastic DIY solution. By repurposing wooden pallets, you can construct versatile and cost-effective raised beds. These designs often feature multiple compartments, making them ideal for vertical gardening or creating distinct zones for different plant types. They embody sustainable living and add a unique, resourceful character to your backyard space. Discover efficiency with the keyhole garden bed. Originating from Africa, this ingenious design is circular with a central compost basket, allowing for continuous nutrient feeding to the surrounding plants. It's incredibly water efficient and provides easy access to all parts of the bed from a single point. making it both practical and environmentally friendly for a productive garden. Optimize small spaces with the enchanting spiral herb garden bed. This three-dimensional design elevates the planting area in a spiral formation, creating microclimates at different heights and orientations. It allows you to grow a wide variety of herbs, each thriving in its preferred conditions, all within a small footprint. Visually striking, it becomes a focal point that is both beautiful and bountiful. For a rugged yet refined look, gabion basket garden beds are an excellent choice. These structures consist of wire mesh cages filled with stones, providing robust and visually interesting borders. Gabion beds offer superb drainage and can be filled with local stone, integrating them naturally into the landscape. They provide a strong architectural element that stands the test of time. Maximize awkward corners or expand along fences with L-shaped corner garden beds. This practical design efficiently utilizes space that might otherwise be overlooked, creating substantial planting areas that seamlessly integrate into the contours of your backyard. The L shape allows for diverse planting schemes and easy access, making it a versatile addition to any garden layout. Enhance accessibility and comfort with elevated planter tables. These raised beds stand at waist height, making gardening effortless and enjoyable for everyone. Ideal for individuals with mobility challenges or simply for those who prefer to garden without bending, they transform planting into a comfortable, ergonomic activity while adding a stylish design element to patios or decks. Our journey through garden bed innovations continues with the transformative vertical garden beds. Perfect for urban environments or small backyards, these wall-mounted or freestanding structures allow you to grow a remarkable array of plants upwards. They turn blank walls into living tapestries, creating stunning visual displays of foliage and flowers, maximizing green space where traditional beds aren't feasible. This innovative approach adds dynamic texture and vibrant life to previously unused areas. Next, explore the charm and resourcefulness of repurposed trough or container beds. Unleash your creativity by transforming vintage water troughs, old bathtubs, or large industrial containers into unique and characterful garden beds. These upcycled elements bring a sense of history and individuality to your backyard, offering deep planting areas perfect for substantial root systems, or creating striking focal points with their distinctive forms. Each repurposed item tells a story, making your garden truly one of a kind. Embrace flexibility and adaptability with modular and interlocking garden beds. These systems allow for endless configurations, enabling you to design garden beds that perfectly fit your unique space and evolving needs. Whether you require a long, winding bed or a series of connected squares, these versatile components can be easily assembled and reconfigured, offering a truly customizable gardening solution that grows with your aspirations. Finally, we present the joy of creating edible flower beds or pollinator-friendly beds. These designs transcend mere aesthetics by integrating beauty with purpose. Imagine garden beds brimming with vibrant flowers that are not only stunning to behold, but also provide delicious edible petals for culinary adventures, or serve as vital havens for buzzing bees and fluttering butterflies. These beds transform your backyard into a dynamic ecosystem, combining visual delight with ecological responsibility, making every corner of your garden a celebration of life and sustenance. As we conclude our journey through these exquisite garden bed designs, remember that every backyard holds the profound potential for transformation. These ideas serve not just as blueprints, but as a vibrant starting point for your own creative endeavors. Embrace the exciting opportunity to infuse your outdoor living areas with personal flair, cultivating spaces that bring immense joy, profound tranquility, and a deeper connection to nature. Whether you choose a minimalist raised bed for herbs or an elaborate multi-tiered masterpiece for a diverse array of plants, the essence lies in creating a garden that truly reflects your vision and nurtures your spirit. We hope this comprehensive collection has sparked countless inspirations for your next gardening project, encouraging you to step outside and begin building your dream green space. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of beauty and design in the garden. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow garden enthusiasts who seek inspiration, And subscribe for more inspiring home decor and DIY ideas that will help you craft the perfect living environment. Your invaluable support helps us grow our community and continue bringing you fresh, innovative content.